Planning to ship your RV to Europe? Costs can vary depending on a few key factors. Today, I'll break down 3 essential things to keep in mind so your RV makes it overseas safely and without surprises. Tip 1. Pick the right shipping method. You can go with container shipping, roll-on, roll-off, ro-ro, or specialized freight. Container shipping gives extra protection, but ro-ro is often more budget-friendly. Tip 2. Size and weight matter. Larger RVs cost more to ship, so measure your RV accurately. Some oversized vehicles require special handling, which adds to the cost. Tip 3. Consider extra fees and paperwork. Customs, taxes, port handling, and insurance all impact the final price. Planning ahead avoids surprises when your RV arrives in Europe. So remember, choose the right shipping method, account for size and weight, and prepare for extra fees. Shipping your RV to Europe can be smooth with the right planning. Click below for a free quote from A1 Auto Transport, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more RV shipping tips.